Hi, my name is Alex Rodriguez. I'm a product manager here at Cavallo, and today I'm going to show you how to automate taking payments for your orders. To get started, let's take a look at my order workflow. Here we are in the workflow configuration screen, and let's take a look at my new order queue, which is where I'm going to set up this automation. If we look at this queue and we look at our automated actions, we can see that I've set up an automated action to take an authorization on this order. We can see that I've set it up currently to take the authorization for the balance of the order, but we could also set this up if we want to just take the balance of the shipped items instead, if we want to just charge for a partial amount of the order. We can also set this up to be conditional so that we can limit this action to only run for customers that are in a certain customer class or maybe have a certain card on file. To see this in action, let's jump over to an order that I entered earlier. We'll see on this order that this is an order for a Datum Corporation for a couple of our Athens desks, and it totals out to around $1,000. Since I've set this up to be automated via my workflow, if I go ahead and hit the Submit to the Next Queue button, we'll see that this order will automatically generate an authorization. Now that we've moved to the next queue, if we look down in the summary section, we see that we've taken an auth for the full amount of the order. If we jump over to our Payments tab, we can see that auth here along with the card details. And up above, we've got the new fully authorized status, which lets us have visibility into which of our documents are authorized and route those to certain queues as necessary. Thanks again for watching, and if you'd like to see more in the future, make sure to leave a comment down below and smash that subscribe button. Thanks.